who is an incredible
True.
person, an incredible actor, and I think जैसे मैं बोलती हूँ ना कि टेम्पररी चीज़ों को चेज नहीं करना है, अपने काम से अमर रहना, तो वो तो अमर है ही.
Yeah. First of all, there's a difference between having a family
Absolutely.
in the same industry and having a family backing.
Yeah.
Right. So Dad is an action director. He's a technician. Vicky and me, we started our journey almost around the same time. Right?
True.
So we did not have any kind of backing at such, and frankly, that thought didn't even cross our mind. See, I understand that when you write Vicky Kaushal's brother, it'll track more.
Yeah.
Because Vicky Kaushal tracks more. But at the same time, there are ways to do it, and there have been times where it's done by taking away what I have done.
He was my best friend. I went to see Jaane Dil Jaane Na with him, and we were like, oh, we were like Aditi and Jen. Oh God, should we now date? Because
Wow.
I've been fortunate enough to have two very big heartbreaks in my life. One is Papila, 4 महीने का relationship, but मुझे तो लगा 4 साल हो गए. How can she do this to me? You know, all that stuff. Actually, that was my first audition in my life that I had given, and it was simple. ऐसे gym से बाहर निकल रहा है, and मुझे बस ऐसे कुछ तो था, shampoo निकाल के दूसरे लड़के को दिखाना है, कि you know dandruff नहीं होता इससे. तो मुझे उस इतने से उस पे मुझे casting director ने बोला था मुझे acting आती है.
I wasn't rejected
That's
because I was,
sweet of you to admit.
you know, an outsider. I didn't look a certain way. No, I came to like first audition. Like मैं उल्टी कर दी थी उस audition में.
Two fantastic human beings, two potential stars of tomorrow, and also one thing that connects the both of them is the movie Shiddat. I happened to watch the trailer before its launch, and I must say that it moved me. So welcoming two people who are headlining Shiddat, Radhika Madan and Sunny Kaushal, in conversation with me only on Bollywood Bubble. Thank you guys. Always the last one. I know it's been a tiring day for both of you.
That was such a great introduction.
I know, like I'm like.
You have a family backing, but the way you've started off and the way you've chartered your career is very like normal, you know, like any other person who would do it without an industry backing.
Yeah.
And on your part, you started off, you know, with a lot of labels because you started off with TV and, you know, there's that TV tag. Are you happy with the kind of work that you guys are getting? Because I saw your web series, I remember speaking to you.
Yeah.
I feel that although you're getting the greatest of, like, the best of films, I feel there's so much more to you guys that's yet to be discovered. Do you sometimes feel that maybe they've not, like, given you to your truest potential?
Okay, so first of all, there's a difference between having a family in the
Absolutely.
same industry and having a family backing.
Yeah.
Right. So Dad is an action director. He's a technician. Vicky and me, we started our journey almost around the same time. Right. So we did not have any kind of backing at such, and frankly, that thought didn't even cross our mind.
Absolutely.
Because when we decided to become
Yeah.
actors, the first thing was like, कि हाँ पहले तो जाके acting सीखो. Auditions though, we decided to do stage, assist on films and everything. So that whole thing you know, dad was also like, yeah, I'm a technician, man. Like, don't expect anything from me. Make your own thing. And uska ek alag charm hota hai, I think. So, and you know, frankly, everybody has their own stories, and this is our journey. So, that, and what was the second part of your question?
That, do you feel that the industry has not explored your true potential yet?
No, so again, that's a part of the journey, right? We have to, I think it goes hand in hand कि आपके पास किस तरह के फिल्में आती हैं या किस तरह के characters आते हैं and what you make out of it. So, and I think everybody has their own way carved by the higher power, if there is one, and you go with that.
What about you?
No, I've been happy हर phase of life में, to be very honest.
I've also been happy with whatever's happening.
Like कौन सोचेगा ना यार एक पितुपुरा की लड़की को एक बॉम्बे शहर के अंदर विशाल भारद्वाज का डेब्यू मिलेगा.
That's true.
मतलब मेरे लिए तो उसी में celebration थी to be nominated in the best debut category. So I celebrated at every stage. रही बात की tapping into the potential, I feel that the movies that have come to my way, be it Pataka or Mard or Angrezi, even Ray and Feels Like Ishq, they all are very different from one another.
Yeah.
That's
And I don't think किसी को भी ऐसा मौका मिला है कि 3 साल के अंदर वो इतनी डिफरेंट मूवीज कर पाए. सो उसकी नज़र से मैं देखूँ तो आई हैव नो कंप्लेंट्स. मैं तो हर शेड प्ले कर पा रही हूँ ना.
You've been possibly one of those few actors from the younger generation who actually had an action introduction scene, which is
what a scene,
and
man.
I have, yeah, exactly. What a scene! What a scene! I remember that you had told me that your first film happened because you walked in and you said that why don't you test me?
Yeah.
And then they believed in you, and they believed in you as well. But you have a certain, of course, a different story. So I'll come to you. How do you feel that change? Because Angrezi Medium was initially happening with somebody else. Let's not get into who it was happening with. But you actually said कि आप मुझे test करके तो देखो. Not many people would do that, right?
Yeah. So the story is that I actually went to meet Dinu for Shiddat.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. So we were discussing Shiddat at that time, and they were still contemplating because I was new and they had not found the guy. They were like, Sunny is there. They were not sure about me.
Yeah.
They were not sure about you.
Yeah.
You were new.
Yeah.
Pataka had just come out. Your goal had just come out. And homie was just walking on the side, and I knew that they're casting for Angrezi, and I was like, and I had just done Pataka, so I was like 12 kgs heavier, and I was like, can I audition for Angrezi? He just looked at me and he was like, no babe, we're looking for a 17-year-old babe. So, but you're good, you're really good. Great job in Pataka. No babe. And I was like, but मैं तो छोटी हूँ ना. So I went home and I was like, I want to audition. Why shouldn't I audition?
Yeah,
So before
exactly.
Shiddat, anything of Shiddat got logged, I was after him that audition me so that I can sleep peacefully at night. And that's how Angrezi happened.
Yeah.
But
That's
I
great,
went,
yeah,
I was
that's
there
good.
for Shiddat.
Damn.
Kudos to Dinu. He believed in me when I was a nobody.
Yeah, actually, that I should say, because he also believed in me when.
But we were nothing. Like we didn't.
You're doing another one with them.
I am.
So it's like he saw something in us that we couldn't see ourselves.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And he was like, you know what? Do it. I don't care what you've done. I don't care how you look. Just do it. Just perform. And at that time, Homie also did the same. KD did the same. But
Absolutely.
like Dinu, like I'm so grateful to him.
Also I'll take something on the media that even before you guys make your debut, from what you've done, for you especially the TV tag, for you being Vicky Kaushal's brother, Sham Kaushal's son, although you have never complained, they've never complained, but the point is that it's used in a very different way, right? It puts a tag eventually. Yeah. I remember that when I was in the previous organization, I was doing an interview, a chat show with the actor and the family members. I wanted to do it with Vicky and you, and I love him, but he had just requested me that, listen, we can't do this because if I do this, then it will affect him eventually because we'll do it out of love. But what will happen? People are going to just write, and it's good on him that he said it.
Yeah.
We didn't do it eventually, and I understood it. But do you feel that? Have you ever felt really irritated with these kind of labels, which is attached to actors? I'll start with you.
I haven't felt irritated with the label because I am proud
That is
of
true,
it.
but the way it's used, basically.
That means my words. I have been because see, I understand that when you write Vicky Kaushal's brother, it'll track more, because Vicky Kaushal tracks more. But at the same time, there are ways to do it, and there have been times where it's done by taking away what I have done, even though I've just started and it's small and whatever. You can't take that away from the person and then just say, okay, Vicky Kaushal's brother and he's also doing
Yeah.
So, but again, it's there for a second and then you just disconnect and you say, okay, no, but it's fine.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Yeah.
What about you? You two have battled a lot of tags, to be honest, from the time you started.
Yeah, but it didn't bother me. I'm being really candid. I can say that it bothered me, and you know, I struggled like this. I struggled. No, because I didn't see that in myself. People see in you what you see in yourself.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
I never attached myself to those tags. Those were perceptions.
Absolutely.
People gave me those tags. I didn't give myself those tags. So it's their problem. It's not mine.
Yeah.
I'll keep doing whatever I want to do.
I'm going to use this. Thanks. I'm going to use this, man. It's a great way of thinking. It's a great perspective.
You know, I
Very
have
nice.
seen your short film also.
Oh, I love that.
And
With Basan sir.
it's fab.
Yeah.
It
Good.
is fab.
Yeah.
Again, a relationship story. And I want to tell you that I really liked you, and I didn't even know that you were Vicky's brother or whatever.
Yeah, yeah.
I love Vicky.
Yeah.
Of course, I know him more, but because you're the younger one, I will support you. I will still say, at home, you know, Vicky has had a similar career, you know.
Yeah.
There was a point of time when Vicky was doing these Masan and, you know, and then Raman Raghav, where he was doing great work, but again, not invariably box office like super hits, and then he had a really meteoric rise.
Yeah.
People are expecting the same from you because you're a great actor. I have watched Bhangra Pale, I really liked you in the
Thank
film.
you. Thank you.
So, do you somewhere, like when you guys, so many people are at home who are associated with films, do you guys discuss films? Do you guys discuss each other's body of work?
Yeah, of course we do. I mean, because 3 out of 4 members of the house are in the same industry. And so we discuss a lot of films and our body of films, but we never interfere into each other's choices and, you know, professional life.
Yeah, because I think both of you, both the brothers have had very unconventional choices in the beginning, including
Yeah.
you know. Nobody thought, honestly, as an audience, when I watch Mard, I feel it's a fab commercial film.
amazing.
But the way it was presented in the beginning, for an actor, I think that a debutant would be a little skeptical about doing a Pataka or you know, that's possibly why I always tell Alia that Highway could have been her first film and it changed perception for her, but you guys had that perception. Coming back to Shiddat, that was my love for you guys. There was no
Thank
question
you so
there.
much, that was so sweet.
But coming back to Shiddat, you know, and love stories. I want to know, when was the first time you fell in love, and was it difficult when if you had heartbreak? Was it difficult to get out of it? Because there's so much of pain and heartbreak in the trailer. That is what connected with me, guys, by the way.
So, of course, the first time I fell in love, I wouldn't even call it love, it was puppy love. I was what? I was 13, 14, and it's all because of films, yeah. It's all because of movies. So he was my best friend. I went to see Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na with him, and we were like, oh, we were like Aditi and Jen. Oh God, should we now date? Because
film में ऐसा बोला है यार.
And we're exactly like them. So that film really screwed with our heads, and then of course the heartbreak followed because it was puppy love. But at that time it was like Dil Jude Bina. Like all those songs कि पता नहीं क्या क्या. मैं तो बहुत गाने से सुन के लेटे कि life is over
now, इसके आगे
and I was
क्या?
what 16.
अब मैं शायद प्यार ही ना कर पाऊँ.
हाँ कि अब मैं हिम्मत कैसे लाऊंगी प्यार करने की.
But थोड़े उम्र में, how do you deal with heartbreak?
I think you become more mature.
Yeah.
You become more mature. You understand yourself as a person. You understand the other person, and then you see what if it doesn't work out. You see the reason behind it,
Yeah.
and then if the reason is valid enough, you somehow make peace with it.
What about you? First love? And अगर first love में ज़्यादा heartbreak नहीं हुआ है, मतलब बहुत कम उम्र में,
नहीं, मैं-
so I want to know.
I've been fortunate enough to have 2 very big heartbreaks in my life. One is Papila, 4 महीने का relationship, but मुझे तो लगा 4 साल हो गए. Oh my God, how can she do this to me? You know, all that stuff. But तभी काफी रोया था मैं. जो दूसरी बार heartbreak हुआ था, वो that was a little serious one. But like she said, because उम्र थोड़ी ज़्यादा हो गई थी and you could understand
Yeah.
where the other person is coming from and why the other person is doing it. You kind of make peace with it, and obviously you have conversations with yourself, try to have conversations with the other person to understand it, but at the same time you kind of let it go away.
What I saw in the trailer is that both of you have very different perspectives. The characters
Yeah.
have different perspectives on love and romance.
Yeah.
I don't know who I agree with, to be honest, because there's a part of me. My heart says I should agree with him. My brain says I should agree with you, which is a good thing, right?
Yeah.
When you're confused. I want to know that what is your perception of love in general? Like, are you like really romantic at heart?
I am all heart when in real life. I'm not at all like Kartika. Like I am like dil हाथ में पकड़ो and खेलो. जो करना है, जो मारो मतलब मैं बिच गई. It's like that. I'm too filmy, too romantic. I'll write stuff. पता नहीं मैं पागल हो जाती हूँ जब मैं मेरे को प्यार होता है. Like I'm really expressive, and I feel that that's a superpower. Vulnerability is a superpower.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
So I like take pride in that when it comes to love in real life.
Yeah.
What about you?
No, same. I'm also very, very, very into. If I am into a relationship, into somebody, then I'm completely, totally there. But at the same time, I have a little bit of
Cerebral
Kartika's brain going on in my head.
It's ulta.
Yeah, matlab, see, that's what I'm saying. It's never this or that. You know.
Yeah, it is a middle ground.
It is a middle ground, but I do have a little bit of logical mind. Not in terms of calculating stuff. I'm a very one day at a time kind of a guy when it comes to that. But still, एक हल्का सा head on my shoulder वाला है उसमें.
Also, before I leave, because we started off with this, that you're the potential stars of tomorrow. There was a time when Vicky had given an interview. It was for a print thing that we did, and he said that initially when he went in for auditions, there was a deodorant ad, and I use it everywhere, and people have started like abusing me. कि हमेशा बोलते, but I have to say this. And of course, you know the story that he was rejected because he was told that he's not fit for the role. Same with you. You had a very big. You could have had a very big, मतलब commercial kind of a debut with Student of the Year 2, and that didn't work out. Today, the perception about both of you in the industry is something else. That time ka rejection, if you faced any,
Shampoo
versus
ad.
today's, you also faced it.
Shampoo ad bro.
What was
इसलिए मुझे shampoo ad करनी है. मुझे एक shampoo endorse करना है because कुछ नहीं था. That was my first audition in my life that I had given, and it was simple. ऐसे gym से बाहर निकल रहा है and मुझे बस ऐसे कुछ तो था, shampoo निकाल के दूसरे लड़के को दिखाना है and कि dandruff नहीं होता इससे. तो मुझे उस इतने से उस पे मुझे कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर ने बोल दिया था, भाई तुझे एक्टिंग आती है? मैंने कहा हाँ, मैं अभी सीख के निकला तो हूँ, 3 महीने का कोर्स किया है मैंने, आती है मुझे एक्टिंग. डिप्लोमा करके निकला हूँ मैं एक्टिंग का. ठीक है. तो विकी का बेसिकली द स्टोरी इज दैट कि उसको डिओड्रेंट का था एंड देन ही एंडोर्स्ड डिओड्रेंट थे, तो उसने उसमें ना अपना पूरा वो निकाल दिया था खुद तक के मैं डिओड्रेंट के ऐड से रिजेक्ट हुआ. अब तो मैं दिखाऊंगा कि मैं कैसे डिओड्रेंट लगाता हूँ.
शैम्पू एड.
तो मुझे दिखाना है कि मैं कैसे शैम्पू लगाता हूँ.
What about you? How do you guys handle rejection today?
See, Pele, I just want to clarify that during Student of the Year, I gave the worst audition of my life. I wasn't rejected because I was, an outsider or I didn't look a certain way. No, I gave the worst audition. Like, मैं उल्टी करती थी उस audition पे.
Yeah, that takes a lot to.
That is honest.
That's very, very self-aware. Very nice.
So मेरे को कोई गम उस टाइम पे मैं हुई थी, but that taught me a major lesson in my life.
Yeah.
That taught me कि भाई क्योंकि हम इतना fascinate हो जाते हैं ना टैग से, नेम से, कि हम जो वो चाहते हैं ना वो बनना चाहते हैं. तो हम वो कैसे बनेंगे जो हम हैं, और हम नया कैसे ऑफर करेंगे?
Another quote you can use.
वो तो मुझे नहीं पता मैंने क्या बोला है बाद में.
हम वो है जो वो चाहते, हम वो बनते हैं जो वो चाहते हैं, हम वो कैसे बनेंगे जो हम हैं. Oh my God.
गुलजार साहब के बाद राधिका मदान.
लिख लो यार, ये लिख लो, मैं बाद में कॉपी.
I'll send it to you.
Thanks.
Point is कि उसके बाद से मैंने जो भी किया, मैंने बोला कि बन के देख ले यार, मजा तो आता है नहीं. बकवास करके आ जाते, खुद की बेइज्जती हो जाती है.
बिल्कुल.
So मजे तो करके आए कम से कम.
बिल्कुल. Absolutely. It's all about having fun यार.
So now when I see it, now when I'm getting things, I think it's also because that I don't want to be what people want me to be.
Yeah.
I just want to be honest and authentic.
Sorry, say.
Yeah, because I want to offer a piece of me to the world. That is it.
Is there a defense mechanism now, but because you've been through that now, and you've established your core. अब इसके आगे आप कैसे बढ़ोगे? It's about the footprints that you take and that you leave behind. But is there a defense mechanism? क्या मतलब अभी भी rejections में उतना ही hurt होता है या
नहीं, अब नहीं
you feel like
होता।
कि ये नहीं तो बाद में मिल जाएगा?
यार अगर तुम accept नहीं करोगे ना तो hurt होगा।
Yeah, it's about
तब तुम denial में रहोगे।
Correct.
कि फिर तुम जो लोग बोल रहे हैं, see I have n number of excuses and reasons to give to the world क्योंकि मीडिया ने इतने फैला दिया। तो मैं तो कोई भी अपना टैग लेके डालूंगी और सिंपैथी लेके जाऊंगी ना, बट क्या मैं वो हूँ? नहीं यार, it's easier with that because I'll get sympathy and love from the audience and support from the audience, but I don't want to lie to them. I don't want to lie to myself.
Which is great.
So it's fine. Like कोई defense mechanism ये acknowledge कर लो, हाँ बकवास करी, नहीं मिला,
That's the best
निकाल
defense
लो।
mechanism.
मे बी अगर ये भी चल वैलिड रीजन भी हो गया कि तेरे को नहीं लिया, तेरा काम अच्छा था, उसको ले लिया, उसका काम अच्छा नहीं था, वो भी रीजन सही है क्योंकि भाई उनको पैसा कमाना है। then they're not thinking about the art, they're thinking about the business, which is fair.
Yeah, true.
So
Absolutely.
अपना हम चलते रहेंगे, बिजनेस वाला हम भी कमा के दे देंगे तो मिल जाएगी।
Defense mechanism if any, or does the
Yeah.
rejections hurt equally now?
Yeah, no, like she said, you know, the thing is, rejections don't hurt, but at the same time, you should not lose the fighting power. Like she said, what happened with Angrezi medium.
Yeah.
और पहले तो बोल दिया था कि नहीं 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 वी आर लुकिंग फॉर अ 70, बट शी फॉट एंड शी वेंट इन देयर, राइट? सो दैट फाइटिंग स्पिरिट यू शुड ऑलवेज हैव कि नो, मतलब जस्ट ये आई कैन डू इट। फिर भी अगर आपको लगता है नहीं, देन इट्स फाइन, आई गेट इट, you know.
Absolutely.
So then it's fine, then you're at peace with yourself also, you get to learn something new, you get to work with newer people, and you become a better person after that.
You know, finally, before wrapping it up, because we spoke about Angrezi medium, one thing that you can possibly take credit for, and you will always hold close to your heart, is that you're possibly the only actor from this newer generation who has shared screen space with Irfan sir. And what a film, first of all. Incredible film. Every little character was so good. I have literally, there was a scene where he comes to your room and, you know, on the streets you walk, whatever. That time, Radhika, I really love you, but I felt like slapping your cat.
When she's
I was like, yeah, the
knock karke
yeah,
aana
knock
knock
karke.
करके यार मैं
And I have watched it with my mom, okay, and I'm like, okay, I'm like, इसको तो थप्पड़ मारना चाहिए था. My mom, I said, my mom, you would have slapped me, no, by then, like जो चप्पल मारती मैं. So the thing is that there was an emotion connected with each character, negative, positive. It's a good thing that people wanted to slap you, to be honest, because that was you acted really well. Would you keep it the closest to your heart? The fact that you were the last person who could share screen space with Irfan sir.
Like the thing that I keep close to my heart is that I got the opportunity to work with Irfan sir, but it kind of breaks my heart that I was the last one.
Yeah,
There could have been so many more.
Yeah. So yes, I can't thank my stars enough that I got to work with him. He was an incredible person, an incredible actor, and I think जैसे मैं बोलती हूँ ना कि टेम्परेरी चीज़ों को चेज़ नहीं करना है, अपने काम से अमर रहना, तो वो तो अमर हैं।
Yeah, legacy.
So whenever if I'm missing him, or if I'm missing, if I need some inspiration in my life, he's alive in his films, and that is beautiful.
And I must tell you that you have a lot of him in you as a person. So retain that, because not
nice.
many people are actually like that, to be honest. Especially in the business. I'm not talking about only films. I'm talking about media, films, entertainment in totality.
I don't know how
the
to
way
react to
he,
this.
the way he was, the person he was. I feel you have a lot of that in you. So keep that, and thank you.
Thank you.
I know there's been a lot of chatter about, like you said, nepotism, godfathers, everything, but when they do so, they should see Shiddat and the kind of performances in it, because there's one person who has a filmy backing but has unconventional film choices, trying to make his own place his way. And then we have somebody who's not from the film industry and still trying to make her own space, her own way.
Thank
and
you.
that's how it should be. And I always say this, that it shouldn't be a conversation about who belongs to which family, but about equality and equal opportunities given
Absolutely.
to talented people,
Yeah.
Absolutely.
which gets missed. But I hope that this film works really well, and there
Thank
are
you.
more people who back talents like you too.
Thank
That's
you.
all.
Thank you so much.
Oh, sweet.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Radhika Madan.
Hi, this is Sunny Kaushal.
And you're watching this on
Bollywood Bubble.